The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specifically cover laundry rooms in the same way it addresses kitchens. Therefore, laundry rooms are not required to adhere to the same receptacle placement rules as kitchen countertops. In kitchens, the NEC mandates that receptacles be installed along countertops, ensuring that no point along the countertop is more than 24 inches from a receptacle outlet. This requirement aims to minimize the use of extension cords and provide convenient access to power for appliances. However, this specific rule does not extend to laundry rooms. The absence of specific NEC regulations for laundry room receptacle placement provides flexibility in designing the electrical layout. However, it's still crucial to consider safety and convenience when determining receptacle locations. Generally, it is advisable to install at least one receptacle near the washing machine and another near the dryer. Additional receptacles may be necessary depending on the size of the laundry room and the anticipated use of electrical appliances. It is also good practice to install a dedicated 20-amp circuit for the washing machine, especially if it is a high-efficiency model. Similarly, the dryer will require either a dedicated 30-amp or 50-amp circuit depending on whether it is electric or gas. These dedicated circuits help prevent overloading and ensure that the appliances operate safely and efficiently. When installing receptacles in a laundry room, it is important to consider the environment. Laundry rooms are often damp or humid, so it is advisable to use ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI protected receptacles to prevent electric shock. GFCI receptacles are designed to detect imbalances in the electrical current and quickly shut off the power if a ground fault is detected. This is especially important in areas where water may be present. In addition to safety, convenience should also be a factor in receptacle placement. Consider the layout of the laundry room and the placement of appliances. Receptacles should be located in areas where they are easily accessible and will not be obstructed by furniture or equipment. It may also be helpful to install receptacles at different heights to accommodate various appliances and tasks. While the NEC does not mandate specific receptacle spacing for laundry rooms, it is still important to follow general electrical safety guidelines. All electrical work should be performed by a qualified electrician in accordance with local codes and regulations. This will ensure that the installation is safe and compliant with applicable standards. Furthermore, it is important to use the correct type of wiring and electrical components for the intended application. Laundry rooms typically require 12 or 14 American wire gauge or AUG wiring, depending on the circuit amperage. All wiring should be properly grounded and protected from physical damage. When planning the electrical layout for a laundry room, it is also important to consider future needs. As technology advances, new appliances and devices may require additional electrical outlets. Therefore, it may be wise to install extra receptacles to accommodate future needs. This can save time and money in the long run by avoiding the need for costly electrical upgrades later on. In summary, while the NEC does not impose specific receptacle placement requirements for laundry rooms like it does for kitchens, safety and convenience should always be top priorities. Install GFCI protected receptacles, use dedicated circuits for major appliances, and follow general electrical safety guidelines. By taking these precautions, you can ensure that your laundry room is both safe and functional. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work to ensure compliance with local codes and regulations. Remember that electrical codes and regulations may vary depending on your location. It's essential to check with your local building department or a qualified electrician to determine the specific requirements for your area. They can provide guidance on receptacle placement, circuit sizing, and other electrical safety matters. In addition to receptacles, laundry rooms often require lighting. The NEC provides specific requirements for lighting in residential dwellings, including laundry rooms. Generally, at least one light fixture is required in a laundry room, and it should be controlled by a wall switch. Consider using energy-efficient lighting, such as LED fixtures, to save on electricity costs. Proper lighting is essential for safety and convenience in a laundry room. It allows you to see clearly while sorting, washing, and drying clothes. Insufficient lighting can increase the risk of accidents and make it difficult to perform tasks efficiently. When selecting lighting fixtures for a laundry room, consider the size and layout of the room. Larger laundry rooms may require multiple light fixtures to provide adequate illumination. It's also important to choose fixtures that are appropriate for the environment. Laundry rooms can be damp and humid, so it's best to select fixtures that are designed for wet locations. These fixtures are typically sealed to prevent moisture from entering and causing damage. In addition to general lighting, task lighting may also be beneficial in a laundry room. Task lighting provides focused illumination for specific tasks, such as ironing or stain removal. Under-cabinet lighting or adjustable spotlights can be used to provide task lighting in a laundry room. When installing electrical wiring and fixtures in a laundry room, it's important to follow all applicable codes and regulations. This includes using the correct type of wiring, grounding all electrical components, and protecting wiring from physical damage. It's also important to ensure that all electrical connections are properly made and that all fixtures are securely mounted. If you're not comfortable performing electrical work yourself, it's best to hire a qualified electrician. They have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the electrical installation is safe and compliant with all applicable standards. Attempting to perform electrical work without proper training can be dangerous and may result in serious injury or property damage. In addition to electrical considerations, laundry rooms also require proper ventilation. Moisture from washing and drying clothes can lead to mold and mildew growth if the room is not properly ventilated. The NEC does not specifically address ventilation requirements for laundry rooms, but it's important to follow local building codes and regulations. Generally, laundry rooms should have a window or an exhaust fan to remove moisture and odors. Exhaust fans should be vented to the outside of the building to prevent moisture from accumulating in the attic or other areas. When selecting an exhaust fan for a laundry room, consider the size of the room and the amount of moisture that is generated. A larger laundry room or one that is used frequently may require a more powerful exhaust fan. It's also important to choose a fan that is quiet and energy efficient. In summary, while the NEC does not provide specific receptacle placement rules for laundry rooms like it does for kitchens, safety and convenience should always be top priorities. Follow general electrical safety guidelines, use GFCI protected receptacles, install dedicated circuits for major appliances, and ensure proper ventilation. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work to ensure compliance with local codes and regulations. The key takeaway is that laundry rooms offer more flexibility in receptacle placement compared to kitchens due to the absence of specific NEC mandates. However, this flexibility should not compromise safety or convenience. Thoughtful planning and adherence to general electrical safety principles are essential for creating a functional and safe laundry room. Furthermore, remember to consult local building codes and regulations, as they may have additional requirements beyond the NEC. These local codes can vary depending on your location and may address specific issues related to laundry room electrical installations. A qualified electrician can help you navigate these local codes and ensure that your laundry room complies with all applicable standards. When designing or renovating a laundry room, consider the placement of appliances, the need for adequate lighting, and the importance of ventilation. These factors will contribute to a comfortable, safe, and efficient laundry space. Remember that laundry rooms are often overlooked when it comes to electrical planning, but they are an important part of the home that deserves attention to detail. By taking the time to plan the electrical layout carefully, you can create a laundry room that meets your needs and provides a safe and convenient environment for years to come. Finally, don't hesitate to ask questions and seek professional advice when needed. Electrical work can be complex and potentially dangerous, so it's always best to err on the side of caution. A qualified electrician can answer your questions, provide guidance on electrical safety, and ensure that your laundry room is properly wired and installed. By working with a professional, you can have peace of mind knowing that your laundry room is safe, functional, and compliant with all applicable codes and regulations. Remember that electrical safety is not just a matter of following the rules, it's about protecting yourself, your family, and your property from harm. By taking the necessary precautions and seeking professional advice when needed, you can ensure that your laundry room is a safe and enjoyable space for everyone.